Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide application into OPPO Find X5 Pro. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into privacy option, this one. Here choose hide application, and now from the list choose your application when you want to hide. So maybe Google Chrome, set a privacy password first. Okay, go to settings, set a privacy password, maybe like this. Use and verify one more time. Recovery information, choose your question from the list and then enter your answer, maybe TED, for example. Okay, then for saving, tap in the top right corner. Okay. Now we got information set access code, tap cancel, and now once again choose application. Okay, need set access code, go into settings, example code like 0001, maybe this one, 30, and tap OK. We are all set up, click done. So choose application, Google Chrome, Gmail for example, and maybe Google Maps. Okay, we hide this application, and now go to our home screen, and we don't get this application here and here in this screen. So now go into our phone and choose like enter your number and enter our access code. And here we got our hide apps, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.